Hello, welcome to this video in which I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from TikTok. To start, let's go to TikTok. When you enter TikTok, we land on this page. At the top, we can see three bars. You click on it, these windows will pop up. You can see TikTok Studio, balance, my QR code, setting and privacy. You enter balance. When you click on balance, you will land on this page. As you can see, there is coins, estimated balance, first recharge packages, monetization. You click on live reward. We land on this page. Scale live reward are coming, accumulated diamonds, available rewards. So you can see withdraw, exchange, and so that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, like it and subscribe.